Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Check out this beautiful 18 GT. Man, this car is blacked out. I love it. We installed the Roush, the Phase 2, flywheel 750 horsepower supercharger, along with some other mods. We're going to watch a dyno pull and watch this baby with the manual transmission, lay down over 700 rural horsepower. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. That way you can watch all kinds of Mustang and F-150 videos. I have Doug with me though. Let's go check out the engine compartment. All right, so here's what we did. We have the Roush, the Phase 2. We're gonna go down and take a look. We installed billet oil pump gears, all the cooling mods. I love those. So you have the rear cylinder head cooling kit, the big Adler radiator cooler thermostat, set of stainless power long tube headers, and I will put a link in the description so you can read a lot more about those parts. Just click on it, see what they cost. But Doug, come down here and take a look. So here it is, the Roush. Super popular. It's the TVS. It's a 2650 intercooled supercharger, and this is an add-on. So these are the coil covers. Those don't come in the kit. We do sell those separately, but it's the full Phase 2 supercharger kit. Hey, they also make a Phase 1 that's a little less horsepower, but it's really, you don't save that much money getting that. I always suggest everyone get the Phase 2 kit, but it's a sweet setup. We're running 93 octane. Like I said, it's a manual transmission. Really easy way to make sweet power on your 18 and up Mustang. And if you wonder what's this cost to get installed, as always, email quote@brenspeed.com. We can let you know that. Then don't forget, like I said before, check that description. You can see current pricing on all the parts we just talked about. But right now, let's watch a dyno pull, and we'll talk about the graph. Check out these numbers. This is really cool. DynoJet SAE. It's pretty crazy if you think about it. You buy a brand new Mustang, whether it's like an 18 up to 21, and you just basically install supercharger, 50 state kit. So this is running the Roush calibration. Set of headers, laying down over 700 rural horsepower, 712 peaking at 67 RPM. Torque stellar, man. Love this. On this car, 629 at 4,600 RPM. And that's a little higher than a lot of them make. I really like that. I want to take one more look at this. It's a killer, man. This car is blacked out. It's got a lot of accessories on it. It looks really sick on the street. And, you know, the manual transmission, my 19 is an automatic. Fun car, fast in the quarter mile, runs 10s with this kit right here. But I will say a manual transmission is a lot more fun to drive around town. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment. And don't forget, quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? Hey, if you had an 18 to 21 Mustang, we love this supercharger. We keep them in stock. We can ship it right to your door, or you can come in for an install. Thanks for watching.